Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we explore the latest advancements in architecture and design. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you all. We'll be diving into Arco AI, a SketchUp extension that revolutionizes the way we render architectural drawings. So, with this AI extension, you can transform your designs into stunning visuals in just a minute. So, let's not waste any time and get started. But I know what you are thinking, is it free or not, etc. Well, there is a bit of good news. Arco AI does offer a free trial, allowing you to explore its basic features. However, if you want to unlock full potential and access all the premium features, there is a paid version available. And I will provide the link below. So let's take a look at this ski hotel project. Firstly, you have to go to the extension and extension manager and make sure that Arco AI is enabled. So this hotel should be surrounded by snowy mountains. Let's render this project and add some surroundings. First you have to click on the Arco sign and then we have to wait a bit. This window will appear, so it shows that the type of the design that you want: architecture, construction, interior design, etc. Also, it gives you the ability to write your own prompt, like whatever you want to show on this project. So let's try to write some words like snow surrounded, skiing, cloudy, white facade, wood, people, and plants. And you should choose the prompt importance and the difference of the original. So if I choose here this percentage, render, and if I click on the render, it's going to use the prompt that I used here. So let's try to change the atmosphere to a different one. Let's imagine that we are in desert, and let's write a modern desert, camels, people, cars, falcons, sunny, and let's press on render and wait a bit, and here we are. So now let's zoom into one of the hotel rooms, and basically we will do the same of what we did. Let's choose one scene and then let's render it together. So let's write a hotel room, mountains, Turkey flag, snowing, mountain view, wood, lightning, and let's change the prompt importance. And let's see. And by using the prompt importance and the prompt, it's going to adjust and going to change what the final render is going to look. So let's take one step further and remove the constraints now. And now we will instruct the Arco AI to reimagine room with a specific prompt, allowing it freely to explore its vast imagination. So let's write the prompt together. Bed and hotel room, mountain view, curtains wall, lightning, wood, parquet, small mirror. And you can write more and more and whatever you want. Let's press on render. Look at that. I meant by the curtain walls, the glass walls, but I think that it didn't get that. So let me rephrase my prompt. Let's write instead of the curtain wall, glass wall, and table, armchair, fur, and rug. Render. And look at that. And I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. And if you faced any problem or issues while downloading or applying this extension, just feel free and write comment below, and I will do my best to respond you and help you overcome any challenges you may be facing. And thanks for watching.